Hello, it is I, Embrace the Matrix. You might know me as your favorite property recovery agent, or you might just know me as Chucky fucking Taylor. But at any rate, we're just here for an unboxing. And what are we going to unbox? Well, the King 810 Under the Rainbow Family Bundle. That's right, part of the family we are, and we got it right here. And as you can see from the return address, where is it? Right here. It came all the way from the king himself, themselves, from Flint, Michigan. And this is it right here. This was the best pack. This was the best bundle they had when they put out their new EP. So it just came in yesterday, actually. I picked it up from my P.O. box. We're going to unwrap this thing and see what's inside, all right? I have not opened it. And I kind of know what's supposed to be in, but we haven't seen what it looks like up close and personal. So let's tear into this sucker. What do you say? It's been a pretty long day. And I really want to get into this thing. Alright, first things first, let's get into the gear. Alright. Here we go. Another bandana. Nice king bandana. Pretty cool. We got all the gear in here. What we got here? Got a t-shirt. Under the black rainbow shirt. Did I get my size? Oh yeah. Under the black rainbow. Very, very cool. What else do we got here? We got the hoodie. We got the hoodro. Just checking sizes. Oh yeah. Just the back. Back of the hoodie. Front of the hoodie. And we got some we got king down the sleeve. What we got down this sleeve? Nothing. But that's pretty cool. Nice hoodie. I'll be rocking that this winter. So we're opening up the LP now, or the box that I'm assuming houses the record. And if you have not heard the new EP from King 810, I strongly suggest you check it out. I have actually personally made 3 lyric videos for 3 songs from this album. So if you go to my Embrace the Matrix YouTube channel, you'll see that I made 3 lyric videos already. I did one for Hurry Hurry, Ahura Mazda, Sue Song, and Glow. What do we got here? Ooh, nice. Lyrics. Sweet. So this is the book it came with. Got all the lyrics, which is wonderful. Under the Black Rainbow is a musical tragedy by American nu metal band King 810. This record by the same name serves as a compendium to the film to be found elsewhere. Names, dates, and events have been altered to protect the sanctity of the entities involved. That's what it says right there. So that's the CD. Pretty cool. Love it. Absolutely love it. And then the last is the 12-inch LP limited Ocean in the Sky mix pressing. That's this. We are going to open this up as well. We're opening it all up. Everything. is getting opened. I want to see. I don't, you know, obviously I don't get many vinyls. I don't, ooh, nice. We got a big ass fucking poster. Does this open up? No. It's kind of like just a bigger version of the inlay card. With the lyrics. Let's check out this record. Let's see what color it is. Wow. This is pretty freaking cool. So this is what the vinyl looks like. So it's obviously, you know, side A, side B. What's on side B? I mean, side A lists all 5 songs. So what's on side B? Now I got to get a record player. Unless it's just the same thing. But it doesn't say. Side A, it lists the songs. But on side B, it doesn't say anything. Interesting. Wait a minute. I don't feel any grooves on side B. Oh no, there's grooves. No, there's grooves. I don't know. Don't know. Don't have a record player. But very, very cool, King. Love it. Absolutely love it. So this is the King A10 unboxing of the family bundle for their new EP, Under the Black Rainbow. Can we get this back in? Can we get it back in? We took it out. It came out. It cometh out. Does it goeth back in? Of course it does. Oh, for the love of crumb cake, please just get in. There we go. Cool. So we got the CD, we got the LP, we got the t-shirt, we got the hoodie, and we got the bandana. The family pack unboxing from the King A10 Under the Black Rainbow EP. A wonderful EP, as always, from the guys up in Flint. I saw them twice this year, and I hope they come back on this tour, back to Cleveland, because I would love to see them for a 3rd time this year. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you haven't heard it yet, go on Spotify and listen to it right now.